This is an older desktop magnifier. It used to have a little door that would fold down on here. I'm not sure why. I guess it was supposed to keep the surface clean. In fact, all it did was get in the way, so it quickly disappeared. This is, like I say, an older one. It uses an incandescent light bulb. I had intended to take this magnifying lens and make a new frame for it using a ring light, but then I could not find ring lights that were the right size for this. They used to be on eBay all the time. They seem to have dried up. This originally came with a bracket that would clamp on the edge of your desktop, and this would fit down in there. And I took that apart. I took a fender washer and welded it to the bottom of this bracket, and that just sits in there. This is something I made out of wood that would fit onto this arm, and that's very adjustable. This is an old wall bracket for one of the older CRT TVs. I took that old TV thing off there and threw it away, and this is very handy because if you don't need this light, you can fold this up against the wall, get it out of your way. And then when you do need it, this comes all the way out to where the scroll saw is. This is very handy when you're trying to see those lines on the pattern, and it also offers some protection from chips coming back towards your face. And on the rare occasion, these blades usually break, but sometimes they will break into more than one piece, and that piece of blade will come towards you, or at least it can. One thing to be careful of with this incandescent bulb, if you get it too close to this reciprocating head, it can come up and break that bulb. Most of the time, it just smacks at one and the element breaks, but it can shatter the bulb. So that's the job of this piece of lightweight cardboard or paper. That's on there, it's not touching the bulb. And if I get careless, and I bring this down too close, that arm will start hitting on that piece of paper, and that saves me from breaking a light bulb. This is a lot handier than having something clamped on the side of your workbench. You can get it out of the way and bring it anywhere on the workbench that you need it when you need it.